how to set the speed and sensitivity of the autofocus for photos and videos on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then open up the camera app. Now tap on the control button and then tap on the settings icon. In camera settings, scroll down and tap on camera assistant. Now we scroll down and tap on autofocus, speed and sensitivity. In the photos section or videos section, you can readjust the speed, the transition speed and the shift sensitivity. And that's it. So you can make the necessary adjustment. And finally, tap on the back key to go back to your camera. Tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.